Look at the thinning of this patient. The hair on the scalp have been thinned out so much from the front till the transition zone on the vertex. The clear-cut baldness is less, mostly on the temples, but the thinning extends from the front till the transition zone. Now it is important for anyone to hold himself in good esteem. If my confidence goes down because of this thinning, I feel whoever is talking to me is actually looking at my scalp only, which is being shown through my hair. In this case, patient comes and tells us, doctor, I need a proper treatment for my scalp. I need proper density from the front till the vertex. What will you do? Will you transplant hairs only on the bald spots, which are very less, only on the temples, or you will try to densify the whole of the top and front, which the patient feels bad about? We asked him, what would you like to have? He said, doctor, I want proper density. So we thought of doing a trichoscopy first, and then the rest I'll tell you in a little while. So stay with me, because what happened in 10 months brought this patient from here to here. Today's patient was 30 years of age. When he walked into the chamber, you can see his pictures. These are his pictures on the day of surgery. Now, you can see his pictures after 3 days of surgery, after 3 months of surgery, after 4 months, after 6 months, and now after 10 months. You will definitely appreciate the increase in density in the required zone. But before he actually underwent surgery, he wanted to see how he would look, the probability of his looks after surgery without even undergoing the hair transplant. So he took help of PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. In just 3 simple steps, he downloaded the app, he clicked on the PeekAI feature, he filled a quick quiz along with the uploaded pictures of front view and top view. After that, he received his probable results in 24 to 48 hours, which were reviewed by us, the ABHRS doctors. Also, a set of questions which, if he asks us or any other doctor, will let him understand his procedure better. Not only that, the approximate number of grafts which would be required by him for hair transplant. Let me show you his trichoscopy report first. What is trichoscopy? Trichoscopy is the computerized examination of scalp and hair. It is very important in patients whom we are planning a hair transplant surgery. Why? Because we need to find out the total number of grafts in his donor area, which in his case were around more than 13,000. We could easily take around 40% of this number. In the donor area, the approximate diameter of individual shaft was around 0.072 millimeters, which is average for any normal person. Then average number of hairs per follicular unit was around 2.1, which again is normal. The density of grafts which he had in the donor area was good. It was 86 grafts per centimeter square. So we found out that we could actually take good number of grafts from his donor area. Coming to recipient area, when we calculated the area in which the transplantation was required, in the front the area was around 35 centimeter square. The density we wanted to give him for the front was around 35 grafts because he already had hairs there, and therefore the total number of grafts required for the front area was 1225 grafts. Talking of the top zone now, the area in which hair transplant was required was around 74 centimeter square. The density required was 32 grafts per centimeter square. So that gives us a total of 2368 grafts. If you are also undergoing hair loss and you want to ask us any question regarding it, regarding your hair loss grade, your treatment, you can definitely ask the question in the comment section below. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon, helping more than 1,000 patients in their hair loss journey for past more than a decade. Today we are bringing you a testimonial video of one of our patients whom we could help as per his expectations. Now on your screen, you will be able to see how many 1-haired, 2-haired, 3-haired, 4-haired grafts he had and what was the total number of grafts and hair we were able to transplant in this case. The average number of hair per follicular unit was 2.1. If you want your own personalized hair transplant plan or hair treatment plan, you can click the link on the description box. Just to educate you, what are the 4 good criteria key points in any hair transplant patient? Number 1, Norwood grade 3 and above, which means you have significant baldness which we need to fill up with the transplanted hair. Also, if you have a very much show of scalp, it is considered to be a grade of baldness only and we need to fill up that gap. So if you have little hair but you are not completely bald, do not think that hair transplant will not help you. Number 2, average donor hair density. Average density at the donor area is usually 80, 82, 84. And on the recipient area, if we dense pack this density, the hair will not be able to grow, and besides sides, the hair at the back will be totally taken. Therefore, in order to keep a homogeneous density, we need to take a specific number of grafts from the back and put it in the bald area. Therefore, the realistic expectation should be there. A little show of scalp does not mean your transplant has gone bad. That ways, the fourth number comes that age 25 and above are actually good patients for hair transplant. I do not mean to say that we do not perform hair transplant on less than 25 years of age, because it depends upon the extent of baldness, the mental condition, how much you are discomforted by it, and many other factors also. Therefore, age usually above 25 is a green signal, but there are definite cases where we perform hair transplant surgery in less than 25 but more than 21 years of age. Do share this video with someone who actually needs hope. If you want to see testimonial of a patient who underwent 5,000 grafts hair transplant in one go, you can click the link on the left. And if you want to know the cost of a 3,000 graft hair transplant, you can click the link on the right.